I'm going to show you how to use Disperse to replace objects in your scene. In this case, we have a whole bunch of seated people that we will place on the auditorium seating arrangement. How I've done that, first we've loaded the people into Disperse as distributed objects. Next, we have a point helper that is laid out throughout the seating. And then we're going to use the painter tool. We select everyone we want to paint. We click on the replace, select the point helper, and that will replace that with all the people randomly. As you can see from the V-Ray render, it's replaced people randomly throughout the scene, and it's a very, very quick and easy way to replace objects.